Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to fix the issue of the get paid option not showing on your Pioneer account. So let's get started. Now first check for your account activation. So open your Pioneer account in your web browser. Normally the get paid section should appear on the main page with options like request payment, batch payment request or receiving accounts. If you don't see this, the first reason could be that your account is not yet fully activated. This usually happens if you have created an account and it's still under verification. In that case, you will need to wait a few days for Pioneer's verification team to complete the process. Once your account is approved, the get paid option should appear automatically and you will receive an email. Now, for the second step is to check for suspension. The second reason could be that your account has been suspended or blocked due to a violation of Pioneer's policies. If that's the case, you'll need to contact Pioneer support, and to do so it's very easy. Just go to the top right corner, click on your name and then go to support center. Next, choose my Pioneer account here and then go to close/reopen account and go to I want to reopen my account, and then here go to contact us. So go to let's chat and explain your issue clearly, including all relevant details. Pioneer will respond via the email link to your account, so it might take a few days, so be patient. Once they reply, they will guide you through restoring your account and getting the get paid option back. And that's it. There are the two main reasons why the get paid option might not show in your Pioneer account and how to fix them. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.